I know you dearly love your ralts. Then I'm sure you never wanted to fall into the hands of Team Rocket! Come on, ralts, blast him with Psychic!
Please, Beautifly! Wake up!
Remember what Mr. Big told you about keeping your cool, May?
You've got to try and stay calm.
They're right. Calm down.
Just think about this and stay calm.
Silver Wind, Beautifly, let's go!
Don't worry, guys! Right behind you!
Here's ralts, just like I said.
Whoa.
No way! No! Rosalia!
Awesome, Beautifly!
Way to go, May!
That's it!
I wanted to help. Hey, I promised, right? Goodbye, ralts. You take care. Be good, okay?
That's the way to earn serious points. What's going on?
Prepare for trouble as we reel them in.
Make it double. We win. You again?
To protect the world from devastation.
To unite all peoples within our nation.
To denounce the evils of...
Oh, ralts, I love you too!
To extend our reach to the stars above.
Jesse!
James.
Team Rocket blasts off at the speed of light.
Surrender now or prepare to fight, fight, fight!
Meow, that's right!
Time to go now. I don't want to say goodbye to you either, ralts, but I don't think we have any other choice. But what do you think about when I'm older?
Rocket!
Give those berries back!
Oh, sure, we'll give these blackberries right back to you after everything we've been through to get them. Sorry, tough luck.
Yeah, looks like the block's on our side.
So now it's goodbye and good luck!
Then maybe you and I could go traveling together. That's awesome! So you can plan on me coming back for you someday. Then it's a deal.
Wait! This battle is over. We know someone who needs those blackberries.
Now it's off to the boss with our blackberries!
Promotion, here we come!
Wow!